Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you suddenly did your iPhone start emergency SOS without you touching anything. So don't worry, this happen more often than you think and I will show you how to fix it. iPhone emergency SOS get triggered when you press power plus volume button together or you press power button 5 times quickly, okay, even accidentally in pocket or in hand. At the time you can get this type of screen. If this screen appear, tap on stop button or release your buttons, okay. This cancels the emergency call immediately, okay. To disable this permanently, you can try this method. Open your iPhone settings. In the iPhone settings, scroll down and find out emergency SOS. Open it. From here you can easily able to disable it. Call with hold and release, disable this option, and call with 3 button presses, disable this option, okay. So before disabling you need to remember these guys. Emergency SOS is useful for safety, only disable if it triggered by mistake, okay. So I recommend you to don't disable. If you want to disable it for temporary time, you can go with this option, okay. So don't worry, your iPhone is not hacked, just this is just the warning, that's it. So now your iPhone will not trigger emergency SOS accidentally on your phone. Subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more iPhone tips. See you in the next one.